Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Mitchel Reese, your Southern Utah realtor. And if you're new to my channel, we like to go through lots of model homes and do some tours to really show you the inventory that's available in Southern Utah, because there's a lot of expansion and building going on right now. And as you can see behind us, we're going to be doing a tour of an Ence model home. And this one is built in the Red Trail or Sand Trails community, which is on the edge of St. George, so not in the middle of all the busyness. It's got a lot of quiet neighborhood around it. So if you're interested in buying, selling, investing, relocating to Southern Utah, I cover all things real estate in Southern Utah. So give me a call and we can get you hooked up with a brand new construction home, and we're gonna make sure you get those benefits. There's a lot of benefits going on right now for buyers. And before we get into the tour, guys, make sure to like and subscribe, because there's going to be tons of more tours of all the homes that are being built in Southern Utah. So I can't wait to show you guys this one. Make sure to like and subscribe, give me a comment, hit the notification bell. Without further ado, let's get into this tour, guys. All right, guys, we have a home in front of us built by Ence Homes, and the name of this model is Sand Ridge because of the community it's in. Now this home will have 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and it's got 2,218 square feet. And a beyond feature about this, Ence Homes really advertises how they build high performance homes. So with them, it's gonna mean your home's gonna be 30% cooler. It's gonna be very efficient with its power, so things with the lights and the electricity. So those are a couple of the great features that come with these high performance homes. Without further ado, enjoy the tour, guys. that model house tour as much as I did, because that was a beauty right there. Ence Homes is a great option for anyone looking to relocate to Southern Utah with their high performance features that they put in all their new construction homes. Some of those include making the house run cheaper for you guys, so stuff with the power to be more efficient. They've got better insulation to make the house 30% cooler. So just some really cool things to make it a better home for anyone to build some new construction houses or buy a brand new spec home. So thanks for coming to my channel. We're gonna keep covering homes like this, some new construction. Take a look at the inventory on my channel because it's all gonna be there. And make sure to give me a call if you're interested in buying, selling, or investing or relocating to Southern Utah, because I'll be your guy for that. And we're gonna make sure that you buyers get those incentives that are out there right now from builders, such as buying your rate down, getting your closing costs covered. Those are gonna be some big helps for you guys. Make sure to like and subscribe and come back to the channel, guys. We'll see you on the next one.